This clutch cable failed for two reasons, and both come down to the lever itself. First, the edges of the clutch lever are seriously sharp. Honda made no effort to round them off, so they constantly grind into the cable. Secondly, the lever itself has become a bit loose. The excessive up and down play forces the cable against those sharp edges even more. To see if this play was a design flaw or just wear and tear, I checked new bikes at the dealer. The new CRF 300L lever was tighter, but it still had some play. And every single Honda I tested had that sharp edge on the levers. The stock design basically uses the lever to saw through the cable over time. So here's my fix. Grab a Dremel and carefully shave down those sharp edges on the lever. I decided against hammering the aluminium mount any more than this. The play wasn't bad enough to risk cracking the frame of the lever mount. Finally, it's time for the new cable. I know the new cables don't necessarily need any grease, but I still want to grease mine. To save time, I fished it through using the old cable, avoiding the need to remove the tank. I take the Dremel to a new bike immediately. Don't wait a year for it to possibly ruin your cable, way sooner than needed. Thanks for watching and remember to subscribe. If you're picking up any rally raid parts, you can use my code BANDITS to save a bit of money. Info in the description.